and welcome to String of Ideas Craft. My name's Alison and today I'm going to show you how to make an angel charm. Here on the board I have the components we need to make the charm. We have the angel's body, the angel's wings and the angel's head. And it's quite straightforward. You need to take yourself a head pin, thread the angel on to the head pin, thread the wings on, followed by the angel's head. You then get yourself a pair of needle nose pliers and bend the wire at an angle. You then need a pair of wire cutters at approximately a halfway mark, and we need to discard the unneeded piece of wire. You then need to get the needle nose pliers again and form a loop by turning back on itself. Then get the little loop hanger, pop that over the loop that you've just created and turn in the last little bit. Make sure that it's locked. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again soon.